Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIES home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 6 and our lecture number 5, and today our class topic is 12-week science assignment. The assignment is already given by our government and government education board. It is your question already uploaded in the school Facebook group, and now we discuss about this assignment. Our assignment number 4, and this is 12-week science assignment. Now let's start our class. At first we read the question and then we discuss about the assignment. Here, class 6, subject science, and chapter and title of the chapter. This assignment is from chapter 3, and the chapter name is cellular organization of the plant and animals. Here topics are lesson number and topics, lesson number 1 and 2, cell, lesson number 3 to 6, structure of a cell, lesson number 7 to 8, nucleus, lesson number 9 to 10, the role of the cell's organism. Now we read the assignment or assigned task. That means the assignment or task you are given to do. Number 1, draw the animal and plant cell in the poster paper, back side of a calendar, art paper. Mention the similarities and dissimilarities between them. Number 2, describe all the cell organelles with figure which control all physiological function of the cell. There are 2 work given to you. At first, you will draw the plant cell and animal cell in the poster paper or art paper or back side of the calendar, and then you mention the organelles of these cells organelle, and also write the similarities and dissimilarities of these 2 cells. And second number task is describe all the cell organelles with figure which control all physiological function of the cell. Your second task is describe the cell organelles and their figure. Now instruction for you. Number 1, students will mention the similarities and dissimilarities between the plant and animal cell after drawing their figure on poster paper, back side of the calendar and art paper. Number 2, draw the figure of all cell organelles on the poster paper or back side of the calendar or art paper and describe their structure. And here is the instruction that you will draw this figure in art paper or poster paper or back side of the calendar. But I think poster paper is not good for any figure drawing, so you can use art paper. You draw the plant cell, animal cell and cell organelles in the art paper. It will be more helpful for you to draw the figure in the art paper. You can buy the art paper from our stationery shop or book shop, or draw the figure in the back side of a calendar. Now I discuss the assignment. Here is the assignment cover page. You know about this before because you submit assignment number 1 and 2. Here is the cover page of the assignment, and you will write subject, assignment, 12-week assignment, and topic. Topic is chapter 3, cellular organization of the plant and animal. Topic is cellular organization of the plant and animal cell, and write your name, class, section, role, shift and submission date. Now I draw an animal cell. At first I draw the animal cell. This is a animal cell, and what are the organelles in the animal cell? The organelles inside the animal cells are centrosome. Centrosome is very small, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria, vacuole, Golgi apparatus. Number 3, rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, cytoplasm. That means inside the cell, the jelly-like things is called cytoplasm. Lysosome, nuclear membrane, nucleolus and nucleus, and this is called the outer surface of the cell is called cell membrane. So in this animal cell you found mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, nucleolus, nucleus, nuclear membrane, cytoplasm, lysosome, ribosome, these things. Now we draw the plant cell, and in the plant cell we found that the vacuole of this cell is inside the cell, and in the animal cell the vacuole is very small and it is in the side of the cell. So in the plant cell, what are the organelles we found in the plant cell? We found plasma membrane, cytoplasmic matrix, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nuclear pore, nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromatin, nucleoplasm, intercellular space, Golgi body, mitochondria, chloroplast, lysosome, cell wall and vacuole. You found the differences here. That means in plant cell the vacuole is large inside and it is in the middle of the cell, but in animal cell vacuole is very small and it is in the side of the cell, and in the plant cell there is the nucleus in the middle of the cell, but in the plant cell the nucleus is in the side of the cell. And also in the plant cell you found chloroplast, but in animal cell you never found any chloroplast. And also you found here lysosome, but in the plant cell you do not found any kind of lysosome. Lysosome help the animal cell to break the protein cell. But we found some organelles in both the cell. What are the organelles? Like mitochondria. We found mitochondria in both the cell, nucleus and both of the cell, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulums are present in the both of the cell. So you found nucleus, nucleolus, nuclear membrane in both of the cell. So we found that some organelles are very common in two of the cell and some organelles are not present in animal cell or in the plant cell. So there is the what is the similarities and dissimilarities between these cell. You will write, at first you should make a chart, then you write the similarities and dissimilarities of the plant cell and animal cell. Here the similarities and dissimilarities between the plant and animal cell after drawing their figure is given below. Here I write similarities and dissimilarities animal cell and plant cell. Cell wall. Cell wall is always absent in the animal cell and plant cell it is present. Chloroplast. Chloroplast absent in animal cell but present in the plant cell. Centriole. Centriole present in the animal cell but absent in plant cell. Golgi body present in both of the cell. Mitochondria present in the both of the cell. Vacuole in the animal cell it is small in size but or absent, but plant cell it is always present and in the middle of the cell and it is big in size. In animal cell, vacuole. I wrote here only three similarities and dissimilarities between the plant cell and animal cell. You can write more similarities and dissimilarities of the plant cell and animal cell. Now question 2. Draw the figure of all cell organelles on the poster paper or back side of the calendar or art paper and describe their structure. Now cell organelles. What are the cell organelles? Describe a description of all cell organelles with figure which control all physiological function of the cell are given below. First one is mitochondria. Here is the figure of a mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Most of these energy producing reactions takes place inside it. Each mitochondria is bounded by double membrane. The outer one is smooth while the inner one has many folding toward the cavity of mitochondria. You see here the figure of a mitochondria. There are two membranes. One is outer membrane and another is inner membrane, and mitochondrial inner membrane is folding inside of the matrix. So the inner jelly-like things of the inner membrane, it is called matrix, and the outer side jelly-like things of the mitochondria is called cristae. So here is the figure of a mitochondria. Now we go organelles. Plastid. Plastid is present in the only in plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. Plastids are known as color bearer. Plastids are a unique characteristic of the plant cells. Green plastid help in manufacturing food. Here is the picture of a plastid. You see the jelly-like wet things inside of the plastid is called matrix. There are two layers, outer layer and inner layer, and in the plastid you found granum and granule lamella. Now number 3, nucleus. The circular dense substance on protoplasm is nucleus. A nucleus is usually consists of nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromosome and nucleolus. You see here the figure of a nucleus. The outer layer of the nucleus is called nuclear membrane, and inside the nucleus the jelly-like wet things is called nucleoplasm, and then the feather-like or fiber-like things inside the nucleus is called chromatin. And in the middle of the nucleus or in the side of the nucleus, the hard, little bit hard and very small things, it is called nucleolus. Nucleolus, and the small space between the nuclear membrane is called nuclear pore, nucleopore. So here is the figure of a nucleus. You have to give the description of the organelles. At first you will give the description of the organelles, then you draw the figure of the organelles, and also you mention that which figure you are drawing. You have to write the name of the figure. That means it is the figure of a mitochondria. So you have to write the name of the mitochondria. Then you have to mention that what is the outer layer, inner layer, matrix or cristia. In this style you have to draw plastid, nucleus. Here for your better understand I give the 3 organelles description: mitochondria, nucleus and plastid. And in both of the cell there are Golgi body, cytoplasm, cell membrane, lysosome, and that means rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can give the description of these organelles and draw their figure. And I hope you will do. It is better for you to do the figure, draw the figure and do the assignment in an art paper. And your submission date of the assignment is 2nd September 2021. My dear students, I hope you can understand how can you do the assignment at your home by yourself. So you can see this video for your better understand. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.